can you dance like this? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi! My name is Aaron. As you can see, I'm being voiced by Monica to my left.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ang pangalan ko po ay Monica at ikinagagalak ko kayong makilalang lahat. Ako ay binobosesan ni Carl sa aking kaliwa.
Hello, everyone! My name is Carl, and I am being voiced by Aaron to my left. So, to start this game, what we need from you is, if I am holding something in my hand right now, what is this object that I am holding? Trophy. I heard trophy. Thank you. So once again, to review, my name is Carl and I'm being voiced by Aaron.
And my name is Aaron. I'm being voiced by Monica.
At ako naman si Monica, binobosesan ni Carl. Ito ang three-way dub with trophy.
Grabe. Ang galing-galing ko. Akalain mo nanalo ako ng trophy.
Hay nako. Hay nako. It's your first trophy. Why are you so proud? Look at my cabinet. Over here. You see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 12 trophies. Nakikita mo ba?
Grabe ka naman. Di ba naging first time mo rin naman nagkaroon ka ng first trophy? Eh, di ba, dapat naiintindihan mo yung feeling nitong first trophy na to.
Actually, I won all 12 trophies at once. 1 for dancing, 1 for singing, 1 for calligraphy.
Eh, ikaw! Saan ka ba nanalo?
Uulitin ko, nanalo ko sa singing, dancing, calligraphy.
Excuse me? That calligraphy trophy is mine. You cannot say na sa'yo to just because ikaw yung nag-accept na wala ako doon sa event.
Akin na yan!
Akin yan! Actually, second trophy ko na pala to! Dahil kayong dalawa, away lang naman kayo ng sa contest na yun!
Kayong dalawa, magsama kayo. Dali, tumingin kayo sa akin at ipakita niyo kung gaano kayo kagaling sa singing, sa dancing, sa calligraphy. Ikaw, lalo na ikaw.
Well, let me show you Chinese calligraphy right now. Pero di ba, Junjun, ikaw yung magdidictate sa akin nang isusulat ko ng Chinese calligraphy. Ano yung mga Chinese words na isusulat ko for my Chinese calligraphy?
First of all, I can give you Ni Hui Shuo, Ing Wan Ma, which means, do you speak English?
Tingnan mo yan? Ang galing-galing ko. Deserve ko yung trophy. Deserve ko. Look at my calligraphy. Look at what you stole from me.
But can you dance like this? Can you dance like this? What I'm going to do right now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alam mo, dahil sabi mo na sa'yo yung dancing trophy, pues ako ang best singer dito. Sige nga, bigyan mo ako ng kanta.
My Way by Frank Sinatra.
I did it my way.
Thank you. There you have it. Three-way dub. Bahagi po ng Sinabawang July po natin.
Spit Manila.